Hey guys, welcome back to this episode of Chris Tech. I guess thank you for tuning back in again. If you have, then clearly I have not drove you away yet. So that is a bonus point for me. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at themes. So we installed WordPress in the first video. We used MAMP to do that, and now we're going to look at themes as well. So what I'm going to show you is how to get hold of a theme and how to install that onto your blank WordPress, because I'm not going to go into creating a custom theme for now. I'll make that into another video, but for this tutorial I don't want that to be part of it. So if you remember last time, we had this here running, so our map was running our server, and that then produced for us this page. So we actually, what you originally saw was, if we just log back in again, and so this was the page that we ended it on. Now this was the back end of the site. You have choices. Now on the left hand you've got a panel. The way WordPress comes is it has different options, so you can make new posts. This is where you can upload some media, images, videos, things like that, documents, pages as well. We're going to ignore comments and so forth, and plugins and users and settings, but we're going to go specifically to appearance, themes, and in here you are going to have so your 2020, which is active by default. That's the WordPress one for now. Then they got the older versions as well, and what we're going to do is we're going to find ourselves a nice theme. Okay, so I reckon we're going to look through. If we click up here on the button that says add new, and now what this page will do is, if we type in here, say a theme, we'll go for a nice one that I know of called Zacra. Now what you'll get is this. Now you have the option to click on install, or you can preview, but what we're going to do is hit install, and that's going to install the theme for us. Now we're going to have the option after that with this particular theme to install some demo data for that particular theme, so that rather than just having, if we click activate, and I'll show you what it will look like by itself. So this Zacra is now active. If we click over, refresh that theme, and now we pulled in all of the assets in regards to the font and the colors and the position of certain things. However, it's only going to use the data that we had originally there by default. So we didn't have anything, no posts, no images, no nothing. So what we're going to do now is take it one step further, and we're going to pull in a demo or a pre-made site from Zacra. So if we go back to manage themes, and then we're just going to click in theme details, and then we're going to have a little look. So Zacra options down the bottom, and if you see here, we've got starter demos, and it will show you all different demos that you can preview. Now some of them are paid for and some of them are free. We have these themes here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at this one here. So we're going to check out the travel. So if you click preview, and you can see that this is one of the demo sites that are available. So we'll scroll down, and this has been pre-built, and we have the option down here to import the site. So we click on that, and it will jump us over to another page, and it will explain how it should work. So we've got import demo one click, which will be an option that will appear when you download the theme. Sometimes it doesn't, and in my case it hasn't, so I'm going to show you the manual way of doing it very quickly. So down the bottom it's going to say that we need to go to dashboard, plugins, add new, and we need to add this plugin. So we need to install that. So we're just going to jump back to our site, go plugins, add new, and then we're going to go search here, and we're going to paste in that plugin that we want, and there we go. So click install now, and then we're just going to wait for that to do the magic. Beepity bappity boop, and activate. Now as soon as it activates, what that should give us the option, if we go back to appearances, is scroll down, and there we go, demo importer. Boom! Now, here we have available all of our different demos that we can import, but we don't want any premium ones. We're just going to go straight for the travel. Click import, and it's going to say, you know, are you 100% sure? Because it's going to overwrite any data you had there before. So we're going to say yes. Well, we had a blank site, so we don't really care too much. Now we're going to wait a moment, let it do its thing. It does take a few seconds when you're importing demo data, because it has to overwrite all of the data that was there in the database, and it's going to essentially rerun that database with new content, and it's going to be chucking in images, it's going to be pulling in pages and posts. So, and we're going to allow it to do its magic. So now that has been imported, what we're going to do is we're going to have a little look and see if we go to our blank site, hit refresh, and beady bada boom, boom, there we go. So now we have our demo site, and let's have a little look. Scroll down, and there we have it. One freshly imported demo site. So have a little peek, have a little look around, check it out, hit some other links, see what you got, and there it is. So what we're going to do is leave that one there. I just wanted to show you on this video how to import a theme or pull a theme in from a creator, and also how to pull in the demo data for that theme as well. So we're going to leave the episode, and we're going to move on to the next one, being plugins, and also the right ones to install for developers and designers as well. So if you enjoyed this episode, please hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.